this song does, because in a sense it's the key song to Bob and myself. It's certainly the key song to Walt. The day he heard that song was very, very special to us, because we had come in with these ideas about how the book of Mary Poppins could be handled and the period it should be written in, and which stories should be told in the movie. And we took one chapter in particular we thought could be the keynote of what it was all about. Mary Poppins was going to give the family, the Banks family, a little lesson, a little life lesson, and it doesn't take much to give love, but you got to do that. That's important. It's an important ingredient in life. And so don't say it doesn't take much to give love. You got to say it better than that. And what could be better than to say, feed the birds, tuppence a bag. It doesn't take much to give love. And he loved the song. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way to the people she calls, come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.
Now, you have said that that was Walt's favorite song from that film.